the Explorer. Dora'S Showtime! And stay tuned after the story for my Marvel Funko Pop Advent Calendar unboxing and giveaway. Welcome to Fiesta Theater. Grab a chair. It is showtime. Our first star loves his shiny boots and shaking his maracas. There he is. Show them how you shake to the beat boots. Good job. Next out are three friends. They play together wherever they go. Do you know who they are? Give a whistle for the Fiesta Trio. They are here to play a cha-cha. They love to play their tunes, come rain or shine. Next up is, stop the show. Where is our next star? Shh, I think I hear him. Chugga chugga choo choo. Do you know who it is? That's right. It is Azul with his shiny new whistle. Woo woo. Time for the next act. When he is not at the farm, he likes to thump his drum and shout a song. Check out Benny, the bongo bull. Show them how it's done, Benny. And for our grand finish, we have a special treat. The big red chicken will teach us how to do his catchy chicken dance. Come on, shake a tail feather and bark out loud. Thanks for coming to our show. Thank you so much for staying tuned after the story for the unboxing. And I am so excited to do this unboxing with you today. My new friends from Pop in a Box sent me a Marvel Funko Pop Advent Calendar just in time for the holiday season. We are going to open this together to see what's inside. And if you would like one for yourself, there is a special link down below, in the description box that will take you straight to their website for pricing and other character Funko Pop Advent Calendars you can purchase, plus all of their other Funko Pop products that they have. Also, stay tuned after the unboxing because I am going to let you know how you can win one of these calendars for yourself. They actually sent me, ta-da! They actually sent me two. One to do an unboxing on and one for a lucky subscriber of mine. All right, so let us put one aside and let's start the unboxing. I'm so excited. So let's grab scissors and start cutting. Cut the plastic off here. So exciting. I can't believe that Christmas is next month. Can you guys believe it? The year has just gone by so fast. All right, so we've got the plastic off. Let's just put the scissors away there. So as you can see, we've got the nice black box here with Marvel. And also, Marvel is celebrating their 80th year this year. So it's a special edition, I believe, as well because of the 80 years of Marvel. So there's the back. Just kind of shows you what's in there and that it has 24 pieces. And the Funko Pop logo. There we go. All right. So let's see how we open this up. pull this out and see what we have here. All right. Guess we got it backwards here. Okay. There we go. Wow, look at that. Is that ever neat? Let's just put that aside. Oh, wow. Okay, so then we just close that back up. This is your actual advent calendar right here. So let's close that up. And then, ta-da! Then we open the doors and there's some more Marvel characters there. Wow, very, very cool. Just show you that side first. And then that side. Very cool. And then you've got your advent calendar for the month of December, so 1 to 24. So why don't we open a couple and see what you get? Let's do, how about we do number 1? See what's behind December 1st. La 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 la. On the first day of Christmas, my Marvel Advent Calendar gave to me. Oh, look! It's a She-Hulk in a pear tree. No, it is She-Hulk. Is that ever cute? Let's take it out. Aww. Very excited for the new She-Hulk show that's going to be on Disney Plus. Are you guys excited for some of the new Disney Plus shows that are going to be coming out? And there she is. Just come a little bit closer there so you guys can see her. There we go. Very, very cute. Very cute. All right, let's do a couple more because this is fun. Oh, let's see. What else? What other number can we do? How about we do... Let's do 10, kind of halfway through. So on the 10th day of Christmas, my Marvel calendar gave to me. What is this? Oh, it's Captain Marvel. Very cool. Let's open her up. So far it's been all girls here. There she is. Very, very cool. There she is there. Here's Captain Marvel. Very cool. There's the side of her too. All right, let's say we do one more. This is so cool. This is so exciting. Oh, you guys have to get one of these and open these up for Christmas time. This is so exciting, especially if you're a huge Marvel fan, comic book fan. Wow, very, very, very fun and very cool. And if you're a Funko Pop fan, Marvel fan, this is right up your alley. This is perfect, perfect, perfect. Let's do, how about we do Christmas Eve, the 24th. See who's on the big day. Let's see, on the 24th, when Santa comes, who is our superhero? It looks like it's Iron Man. Very, very cute. If I can get him open here. There we go. There we go. So it's like the vintage Iron Man there. Comic book. There he is. Iron Man. For December 24th. Very cool. Very, very cool. Oh, I love this. Right on. That is so fun. That is so much fun. So, I'm not going to open all of them because you need to get your own so you can have some fun and open them up for Christmas time. So that was 3. I just wanted to do the 3 just to show you what they look like and what the calendar is and just kind of go through it. So, yeah, so you'll have tons and tons of fun with this. So, yeah, so that's how it works. And then it just seals up and you can put that wherever and just every day before Christmas, just open her up and do your countdown. Very, very cool. Very nice. So thank you to Pop in a Box for sending me these 2 super cool advent calendars. Way better than, I think, a chocolate advent calendar. I think so. I think this is cool because it's something that you can always keep too, and you can put on your shelf, you can play with. What do you do with chocolate? You just eat it. I know it's really good, but I think this is super cool. And like I said, for a Marvel fan and a Funko Pop fan, this is what an awesome, awesome gift for someone. All right, so now I'm sure this is the moment everyone's been waiting for. Now for your chance to win your very own calendar. You just have to be subscribed to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and add Marvel to your comment down below. So that way I know you want to be entered into the contest. Okay, and that's it. That's all you have to do. So the contest is going to be actually a quick one. It starts obviously today, and it will run until November the 14th at midnight Eastern Standard Time. So it's just going to run for a week. And the winner will be announced in November 16th's video. All right, and the contest is open to US and Canada residents only. So good luck, everybody. This is so cool. Everyone's going to want one of these. And don't forget to check the link below. Click it, and that'll take you straight to the website, so you can either purchase one of these, for yourself. You can check out the prices, check out the different character advent calendars that they do have, and also some of the other products that they do have, because they have tons and tons of Funko Pops, and they've got some new ones that just came out. So just click on the link down below in the description box, and it'll send you straight there. All right, so thank you so much once again to my friends at Funko Pop. And also my friends at Pop in a Box for sending this to me. I really appreciate it. Good luck, and we'll see you all next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Dora the Explorer stories, check out my Dora the Explorer playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. See you next time.